Hi, good day. My name is Abigail Yana. I've been in the business process outsourcing for more than 4 years now. I've worked across various sectors, including auto insurance, irrigation services, account assistant for Alibaba, voice search business listing. Those experiences, I am a sales representative for those campaigns and doing outbound calls, appointment setting, cold calling, filtering out those interested with our offers. And after that, I became a case manager assistant for a personal injury law firm, assisting case managers with their pre-litigation task. And I also provide them administrative support. So that was based in US and we cater California, Nevada, and Texas. So primarily, my responsibilities included organizing and maintaining files to ensure all documents were accurately filed and easily accessible. I also manage email communications by implementing labeling system. So emails were categorized based on their status and relevance, such as to-do task, pending, completed, weekly, monthly for task-related items, and others for non-work related messages. So this helped me stay organized, maintain my efficiency, and responsive to priorities. So my role involved a wide range of duties, including case management, client communication. I also act as a liaison on behalf of the client, other providers, auto insurance, case managers, and of course, when obtaining records to police department. I also draft documents, document with document preparation and submission, legal research, scheduling, calendar management, medical record collection, data entry, negotiation support, document retrieval, organizing files and storage. Additionally, I maintain a strong focus to attention to detail, um, medical record management, confidentiality, and HIPAA compliance. So the most recent one, I stayed there for more than a month, and I decided to stop working there because I decided to transition in a work from home setup. So I had opportunity to work with an attorney providing assistance with litigation related duties. So that will be all. Thank you so much.